It's your lucky day. Do you own axle stands? Well, I'm about to take you to school because I bet you didn't know this. I've been working on trucks, cars, motorcycles, side-by-sides nearly all my life, and I've always had a pair of axle stands, and I didn't know this. Come check this out. I am currently the proud owner of 4 sets of axle stands. Now, when I come in here to grab an axle stand, I might just grab it here by this part. But check this out. This axle stand is upside down. If I was to pick it up like this, look at this. This part falls out. It comes apart from this part. So I never pick it up like that because I know it's going to fall out. So I'll grab it like this instead of picking it up like this. So if you want to prevent this from happening, I'm going to take you to school right now. But first, hit that like button. Did you hit that like button yet? The thumbs button? All right, listen up. You see this tab here? Wait, what's this? An arrow. Bend tab inward to attach cradle to the base. Ah, this is the cradle. This is the base. All these years, I didn't know that. The sign was right in front of my eyes. Who takes time to read these things? So, we're just going to take a punch here, chisel, whatever you got. Actually, let's use this end. And we're just going to hammer it in. Okay, now we have that tab punched in there. Watch this. I'm telling you, all these years, I got 4 sets of them. I didn't know. Let me know in the comments if you knew. And we'll see you on the next video. Now I have 4 sets to do. I guess I'll be busy for a while.